good, guys? This is my G and welcome back to the vlog where we talk all things sneakers. So in today's vlog I'm gonna do an unboxing video, the PG 2.5 X PlayStation, and I'm gonna take you with me to the Reem Central Park where we're gonna test these bad boys out so that we'll not end up like this guy right here.
Foot comes out of his shoe.
No, I'm just kidding. So anyways guys, let's go. And we're here now at the Reem Central Park and let's test this out on court. Now this is the basic PG 2.5 box, and I wish that they made a special edition PlayStation design. There's a slight damage because this is the last pair I got in the Dubai Nike shop. By the way, I copped the size 12. Out of the 3 PG collab with PlayStation, this will be my favorite because this is the colorway that is based from the original PlayStation 1 that I grew up playing with. Worth noting on the tongue is the PG logo as well as the PlayStation logo, but the PG logo lights up more compared to the PlayStation logo. This lighting system doesn't charge. I wish that Nike made some kind of mechanism to charge these things so that the lighting will last. Some interesting facts about this shoe also is that on the lower side it has some hidden messages. So for example, on the side here it says 93552, and that is the zip code where Paul George grew up in Palmdale, Los Angeles, California. He also pays homage to his parents, and at the back area you can see there Pops and Mom. The design actually was inspired by PG's love for fishing and obviously for gaming. A major upgrade of the shoe from the PG1 is an improved secured fit. The strap definitely gives that lockdown feels. This is very crucial during quick turns to balance your footwork. Now, what I like about the shoe is the cushioning. This one has a 10mm air zoom unit inside of it. The placement of the air zoom unit at the forefront makes sense because of the way you run and the mechanics of that. And believe me, it's a really comfortable cushioning system. That's our wrap for the review and unboxing of the PG 2.5, and comment down below what you think is your favorite PlayStation colorway of the PG lineup. Also comment down below what you think the things that I need to improve on so that I can deliver a much better vlogs for you guys. So please do subscribe to my channel for more sneaker vlogs and giveaways. So until next time, peace, God bless.